Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to make ellipse. I will create new drawings and you can go to part designs, click create body, create sketch, and as example I will use this top plane. Now to create ellipse you can click after these icons ellipse, so I will use ellipse by center. Click start from this point, like I will move into here and click at this point. You also can set these lines into horizontals by clicking at this horizontal constraint. Select the object to be automatically set into horizontal. Now for dimensions, I will use these tools, constraint distance, and you can select at these lines. We set like into 100, and in vertical you can click, we set into 50. So we create this simple ellipse. You also can create again the other ellipse by using this arch, ellipse arch. I will click start from this point. Okay, move into here to the top, and then you can see we automatically create arch from this ellipse. Then click to apply. To connect again, I will create for simple line objects in it. Connect into this point. If you're done, you can click close, and then we can use path tools to convert into 3. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials how to make ellipse. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.